Okay, welcome to this new template. In this case we are using the Fantastic Quest Map Navigator, and basically it is what it says. You can navigate a map very easily, as you can see, and also look for information from each spot. For example, here I'm looking for Semiroll, and it gives me a lot of information about it. Also, it have more points to add, for example, a legion, or if the mission is already complete, so it shows me that. Also, you can add directly links to another layout. For example, I'm here on another mission, another game, or another screen, and when I return, it will upgrade the mission progress. 20. And each time I do this, the mission is being upgraded, if you need that, of course. And also it have a very simple way to find another place of the map. You have kingdoms, and you have the places of that kingdom. If I go to another, it will send me to that place in that kingdom. Or just look for the mark. The mark is you can delete this because it goes only to the hidden data. With these two is already enough. You see, you can go anywhere and find information about it. That's a map navigating template. Now I'm going to edit this one to create a more simple one, so you can see how it works. First of all, we don't need these two, so you can hide them. Also, this one is add the effect of when you move. You're going to need only to unlock objects, because here are these little spots. Right? Also, the background to edit the map. In this case, it's just one image, a very big image. You can make it as you wish. And also we are going to need to work with Excel. And in this case, the database is in a CSV, comma separated values, and you can open in any kind of software that works with this kind of style. All the information is here. The stand is the value that our little stands are going to have. To identify them, I recommend to use a letter, and a number. The letter for the kingdom and the number for the order you want them to visit these places. But you can add many of them in one only row if you have the same place repeated. For example, if you have a shop or a save point, then all those will have the same information. You can mix them, you can do anything you want. Also, the information is ordered in this model. Place is the name of that city. Connection, you can use it as more information, or if you want to link between cities. For example, Volcano linked to Casino or Semiroll or whatever, you put the information there, and you can use it later to create unlocking algorithm, or I don't know, whatever you need. The mission is just a text. It's going to be shown when you click there, and if it have a mission, you will say what mission is it. Also, you have monsters, it's more information. The owner is more information. The city is more information. It's just the same effect, but you can create as many as you want to add more and more information. What is important here is this, the titles. If you change this, then it's going to say another thing here. It's only take this one. So if you want to place here, like, I don't know, like love, and you put there information about your love or the love of these places, then it's going to say love and who. It's just that. Information, this is most bigger and longer one. It's the first one to be loaded. So for example, I go here. See? Information is the first one. So if this is too long, these two are going to be outside. So be careful about that. Completed. I just added this column to say this is how much the mission is complete. In this case we have one with 99%, another one with 80%, but it can be updated in the game later. So I don't know, for example here, Terrina, it says Terrina, it doesn't have progress. Let me see which ones. Volcano. So here in Volcano completed 99%. When I go inside, it adds progress and it is finished. You see? It is complete. Difficulty, that's more information. If it has any kind of mission, then, or you see, if it is a dungeon, it says how hard is that dungeon. Treasure is more information. We can see more of this here in Volcano. This kind of thing. Kingdom, owner Zelda, the city connection with that. This is for changing this banner if you want to use Legion system, or just add their publicity, I don't know, as you wish. You see, each one represents a different. And then the layout target is for the where you want to link this button. So in this case I only have one example, and of course I have the layout with the exact same name. So when I click it, it is going to that layout. Okay, that's all you need to know about this database. You can use, as I say, Excel or Google Sheets or OpenOffice or whatever you want. Take care of this one. Look, when you go to save, it's going to ask you if you want to save it as a CSV. You say yes. Later, when you close this, it's going to ask you if you want to save the file again. Don't, because it's going to create a new file, and we are editing the one that is already here. So we just save and update, it's enough. Okay, what else? Well, let's create a map. Very simple one. We are going to delete this one. We're going to paint it blue. And let's create an island. Just for example, so here is my beautiful land. Okay. You can do this in Photoshop, or I don't know, draw it and scan it. It's going to be cool. That's the idea of this map navigator. You can use any kind of image. And we are going to close. That is my island. I'm not going to need so many of these ones. I'm just going to add, I don't know, 3 or 5. Okay, so I have a city here, I have a city here, and I have a big city over here. Okay, just 3. How they are going to be called? I'm just going to do a 4th one. Big city here and the big city here. Fine. So, whoa, and there we go. How it is going to be called? I don't know. Let's say, I know. Let's create a kingdom, so you also see how that kingdom system works. This is going to be the kingdom 1. Kingdom 2 and Kingdom 3. Okay, this one is going to be just 1. This is going to be another kingdom 1 and another kingdom 2. Okay, we have that. Now let's go to our database and let's erase all this. So we say we have Kingdom 1, Kingdom 2, and Kingdom 3. Let's do this and do this. It's going to be Kingdom 3, Kingdom 4, Kingdom 5, but Kingdom 3, Kingdom 4, and Kingdom 5, and another Kingdom 1 are going to say the same thing. Also, I have another Kingdom 2 and 1. What is this one? Well, those who doesn't belong to any kind of kingdom. Okay. Place. Let's say this as King 1, King 2, King 3. Let's say save point, and let's say shop. And this one dungeon. So King 1 is going to be connected to King 2, King 2 to King 1, this one nothing, save points, let's say save, the shop to nothing, to special, let's say special, and dungeon to nothing. Okay, what kind of mission? Well, Kingdom 1 doesn't have a mission, Kingdom 2 say enter the dungeon. Kingdom 3 is going to be, I don't know, eat more burgers, eat more pizza, say like pizza. Kingdom 1 is like just a save point, so it doesn't have a mission, the shop neither, and the dungeon, kill dragon. A monster, well, here is the dragon, and here is skeleton master. The owner is going to be the king. Here is king also, and here is going to be king, and I will say here the owner is the dragon, so you have to kill the dragon to release Kingdom 2. And save point nowhere, and the shop one is going to be you are the owner of the shop. And the city, well, this area we say is Kingdom, this one is Kingdom 2, these 3 are kingdoms, and you are another kingdom. Information. Well, let's talk about the city. Let's talk about this city and about why this one is being controlled by a big bad dragon. K3, just pizza place. And save points. Save your progress here. Another kingdom. Visit more places. The dragon, the bad big dragon is here. Completed. Well, the only one that have progress is going to be the dungeon, but we're not going to add it. We're going to place, I don't know, here. We did the 50% of the mission. And here at 10% of the mission. Difficulty is going to be hard, easy, and normal. A treasure, is there a treasure or prize when you go there? Yes, the endless pizza. And here you're going to be the dragon armor. Well, who belongs to the order? Yes, this one. This one. So, and layout target, we have only examples, so example, or what, let's create a new one. So you see, layout, a new layout, with event sheet, in the dragon layer. Okay, so here I place, I say dragon layer. Fine, I'm going to just copy this example. And this comes to dragon layer also. A big black dragon. Is it? Okay. Finally, we say save. When yes, yes, and we close. No. Okay, remember that. Fine. With that, we already have our information and our map. So play. See, I go here, and I have information about that place. I have information about this one. You see, I have a treasure. That's why it have this different thing. It says save point. I want to go and see, I don't know, this one. Oh, there's the dungeon. Let's go to the dungeon. A big bad dragon, and we go back and we killed it. So I have progress on that monster. Now, what is important? Let's go to the hard part. The event sheet. Well, let's read from top to down. The target zoom. While bigger is this, then the zoom is going to be more inside. Okay, let's show you what it does. Target zoom now is going to be 2. Okay, you see that? Well, look at this. It's bigger because I go closer and closer. So this is how much closer do you want to be to the zoom, to the map. Beware with this, because if you have a low resolution image, it's going to be ugly. This is the opposite. How far are you going to go when you go away? You see, it's starting that. So when I go inside, it goes like that, and then it goes down. If you don't have a big layout, it's going to show you this weight area, so be aware of that. This is one I like. Fine, and then this one loads the data, so don't touch it, or touch it if you are going to add more data. And entering the map, this one is activated each time you enter this layout, so when you are the first time you complete to load the data, it's going to be loaded, or if you are already loaded all the data, it's go there. Because it loads progress, so beware that if you reload the database, it's going to reset the progress. What we say, let's go to the important things. It's going to be down here. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot how to add kingdoms. Well, here, the kingdoms. We say we have one kingdom named K, and we have another one named A, and finally we have the Freedom Kingdom. So 0 based index, K, I, and nothing. Now we go here. Now we need data. Sorry, hard. We unlock it, and in this list we place the name of those kingdoms. We say is kingdom. Then we have another kingdom, and then there is the danger places. What did it change? Well, see, our kingdom, it shows me save point, and the shop, and from kingdom it shows me every place you have decay on it. See? And also we have danger places. So the dungeon. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see that we got this one here. Beware of that. So this is one. Let's go again. So dungeon places, dungeon. It comes to dungeon. That's very good. What about those graphics? Well, you see this one changes. It's different from the others, and it's because it have a treasure. You can change all of that here. You see, depending on what kind of data there is in your database, you can change the mission completed animation. You can change the information that is being shown. If you want to show that this is a dungeon, I added that little sword. See, when it's a dungeon, it adds a sword, or you can add anything else. You can change it or delete it. And when it is loaded, and we're going up, entering the map, see that for each stand you can change the graphic if it have a treasure. Remember, it's always a 0 base, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Treasure. This one, these two have something, so it changed the animation. You can use this also if you want to create cities. Instead of a circle, just add the graphic of a city, a town, and a dungeon, and you have all these different image already placed in the map. For example, if I do this, and I don't know, like this. Oh, this is a city, so it's going to have city. You know, I'm going to be whatever. Well, basically that's all. You can do with this a lot of kind of games. It's very easy, very quick, and you have already almost everything done. The rest is up to you. Create a nice game, and good luck. I would like to know if you do any kind of game with this template, so let me know. Thank you, goodbye.